Love me Natalie Moore's Longford. I'd just like to show you our 221 Corolla Hybrid Luna Sport. The bi-tone, black over powder red, electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, tinted glass and privacy glass in the back, wind deflectors front and rear, alloy wheels, front fogs, bodywork in super condition. This car will come with full test. Very spacious boot with safety kit, protective mat supplied. So here in the back we have half leather interior with isofix seats, loads of leg room, cup holders in the door cards. And up front we have automatic transmission, touchscreen radio, reverse camera, sat nav, dual climate control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, cup holders, centre armrest with pocket, USB and auxiliary ports, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel, pre-collision alert, lane assist. This car has come kilometres of 59,000 with service history. So that's our 221 Corolla Hybrid Luna Sport. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.